Hello, good day to everyone. Another topic which is variable separable. When we say variable separable, we have to separate the variables. So I have here 1 and 2. So number 1, cosine y dx equals x dy. And then number 2 is y prime is equal to x y squared. Okay, so I need to separate the variable because this one is dx. So need to separate. This one will be divided because it's dx. This one also x, and then it should be cosine y in here, and then this will be x also. So remember, in variable separable, whatever you divide at the right side or the left side should be equal. Okay, so this will be crossed out. So I have now dx over x is equal to, this will be crossed out, so I have now dy over cosine y. Okay, so to integrate individually. So this will be ln x, because we know that integral of dx over x is ln x. And then we have to apply our trigonometry. So this will be integral of secant. We know that 1 over cosine y is equal to secant y. So this will be secant y dy. Okay? So this will be ln x. So integral of secant y dy is ln secant y plus tangent y, then plus c. Since we have already ln close to c, so I have to include ln c also. So ln x will be equal to ln sec y plus tan y, then plus ln c. Okay? So this will be ln x. Okay, note that we have ln, then plus. So we can combine this one. So this will be ln, then sec y plus tan y. So to remove the ln or natural logarithm, just multiply by exponential. This will be multiplied by exponential. So we know that e, then n is ln will be 1. So this will be crossed out. So I have now x is equals to, this will be crossed out. So this will be x is equal to c, circle brackets, secant y plus tangent y. So this is my answer for number 1. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. So I have now y prime equals x y squared. So I will write this one, dy over dx. Take note, y prime is equal to f prime of x, or this will be equal to dy over dx. Okay, so this will be x y squared. And then cross multiply. This one is dy, okay, is equal to x y squared dx. Okay, so since I have y squared in here, so I have to divide this one both sides by y squared. So take note, the same. Whatever I divide in at the right side will be equal to the left side. So this will be crossed out. So I have now dy over y squared is equal to x dx. Okay, integrating both sides. So this will be integral of negative 2 dy is equal to integral of x dx. So integral of negative 2, that will be negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. So this will be y negative 1 over negative 1 is equal to integral of x dx. It will be x squared over 2 and then plus c. I'll just erase in here. So this will be 1 over y, because that will be positive, and then since there is negative, so negative in here, then is equal to x squared over 2 plus c. And then this one will be negative 1 over y. To simplify LCD, this will be 2, then x squared plus, this will be 2c. Okay, so take note 2c and c squared are the same because in here you have 2c, you have 2c, and then in here you have also 2c. So I can write this one, 2c will be negative 1 over y is equal to x squared plus c squared over 2. And then cross multiply. So cross multiply will be this one. So this will be y times x squared plus c squared is equal to negative, because negative 1 times 2. So this will be y times x squared plus c squared is equals to negative 2. And then the final answer will be y, circle brackets, x squared plus c squared is equal to, no, transpose to the left, this will be positive 2 and is equal to 0. So this is now my final answer. Thanks for watching.